If you still want to launch your brand in Dubai, launching a brand has always been easy. What's tough is the growth. You need to find out if you are a new brand which has just come up and you want to launch in Dubai, or you're a growth stage business. For new business, please think carefully. If you do not have a lot of money with you, do not try to get into a different market. It will burn a big hole in your pockets. But if you're a growth stage business, then you can think. Second thing, whether you should be getting into online or offline. Now, offline has again two models. Either you go through the distribution model, which if you're a growth stage business and your brand is known, only then you attempt to go into Dubai market. Otherwise, again, you should be knowing that you might burn a lot of money in marketing. In online, there are multiple channels in which you can go. Typically for fashion, you go to Amazon, you can go to Noon. Both are the horizontal marketplaces. For fashion, vertical marketplaces, you have Namshi, you have Sixth Street, you have Centerpoint, and other players as well. Easiest is to get into the horizontals like Noon and Amazon. So you have to first decide अगर आप नया business है या existing business को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, you want to go through a distribution model or you want to set up a shop there. Distribution, setting up shop is expensive. Your brand should be known first. And then एक बात हमेशा ध्यान रखें, sending merchandise to Middle East, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, whole of the UAE, it is considered an export. When you are exporting your product, आपका unsold inventory वापस नहीं आएगा. So please bake that into your account, into the mathematics. Whether it is 5% unsold inventory, 10% या 50% unsold inventory, you can bring it back, but duties double लग जाएगी, shipping cost double लग जाएगी, season निकल चुका होगा. So consider all of these things before planning to get into Dubai. Opening a company is easier, growth is tough, but how to have a growth, how to set up your business and grow, watch next and you can contact us. Thank you.